Well, the snow has returned. Well, thank goodness I don't have to deliver papers today. Well, you've seen the previous video where I had to go up steep hills. There's no way my Astrovan could make it up there. I risked my life getting to the place where I pick up my papers. So I have to deliver them on Sunday. Luckily, it's just the Vancouver Sun that I would have had to deliver today. There's only and the National Post, so there's 26 papers. And Sunday's about the same amount, but the province. So I'm just gonna go pick up my newspapers right now. I gotta turn off my lights in the inside of my van here. It's like total whiteout conditions in Mission where I have to deliver. So yeah, even with the snowplows out in patrol there, it's not worth the risk of putting my vehicle in jeopardy. And yeah, man, I can't wait to get a new vehicle there. Shit. Okay, I gotta go pick up my papers right there. There they are. Just gotta open up my door here. Yeah, don't mind the mess in my van there. Yeah. Oh shit. We can scuff this person's door here. Wouldn't that be a shame? Yeah. I can't afford to pay for any damages right now. If for that case, I have to file for bankruptcy. Yeah, so I guess I'm going to have to deliver these tomorrow. And yeah, look at it out there, man. February blizzard. It's crazy, man. It's cold out too. I think it's like -2 Celsius right now. Pretty peaceful out. Well, anyways, hopefully this blizzard will blow by and the conditions will be better tomorrow for me to deliver papers. Well, I certainly don't want to lose this gig because I really need to. I've been thinking of getting something like this with the Abbotsford News. That'll probably earn me an extra, I don't know, a couple $100, which I do need. Okay, and two, I gotta get back inside because I'm freezing to death.